Welcome back to 62nd day, guys. And yesterday was a very crazy day. It's 4 p.m. Of the other day, and I'm recording video very late because yesterday was a very pretty crazy day. I woke up around 4:30 a.m. and then did 100 push-ups, and then I was watching this movie, Prabhas movie, lot of Prabhas movies like Rebel fight scene and a lot of Prabhas movie scenes, and then I edited the video and kept it, and then had my breakfast. And out of nowhere, I felt like I should go watch the Bahubali movie. So I asked my mom, and she said, "Go then." Then I was figuring out shall I wear the outfit or not, and then I didn't wear the dhoti. I wore a oversized jeans. I'll talk about a lot of things later in that. Also, I updated my close friends list after a really long time. I added like 118 people. That's a very crazy thing. And I went to watch the movie. I left from home around 9 a.m. I came back at 3:10 p.m. Fucking crazy. I came back, uh, had my lunch, and then I uploaded the reels. I uploaded like multiple reels from the movie I watched. There was this one reel which I uploaded of mine when Prabhas enters the courtroom scene. I recorded that scene of Prabhas and then I turned myself. I look very kind of ugly, uh, but still I posted the video of myself, and it didn't. I mean, I uploaded multiple reels, and I uploaded one reel 2 3 times in trial reels. No one can watch that, so I just uploaded it, and no one will know where is that video. So I just uploaded that, and in the beginning, the Rajamata Shivagami Devi, when she says Namata Namate Shasanam, when she says my word is the last word, that scene, uh, I edited that reel and said Ante, means whatever she says is the right thing. And then I uploaded on the reel. First, that started taking off, and then I don't know, I felt like I should post in volume. So it will do something. And then I went to gym after uploading the reel. I uploaded around 4 p.m. Oh my god, I should have uploaded reel right now. I uploaded around 4 p.m. and then I went to gym. That's when I wrote this. I didn't write anything after that. 5 p.m. now. So at 5 p.m. I went to the gym. And then out of nowhere I checked my phone, man. And this one reel says 23k views, and that was my video of that when I said the Bahubali courtroom scene when I turned the camera to myself. And the entire day yesterday kept on taking off, like it kept on going crazy. So I did that. I came home. Did I do anything? I came home late, I guess, yesterday, and then I was just like checking the stats, what's going on, and then I wanted to make an edit of myself in the Bahubali, so I called Stani. Stani does crazy edits. Stani is one of my friends from my tuitions when I was in 9th-10th. So he said let's do it. He came home and I was talking to him. He came around 8:30 p.m. and then we were talking till like 10 p.m. Oh my god, that was a crazy time. We talked about a lot of deep stuff, and then I came home, had my lunch, and it was getting late. Today is Mugesh's birthday, so I had to fasten up everything. Like whatever I'm doing, I have to speed it up everything that I'm doing. I had my dinner and everything. I forgot that. Also, I had to stream. I had set up the laptop and everything when Stani had come, and I couldn't stream. So just right when I had my dinner, I got ready and I went to get the cake and we celebrated the Mugesh's birthday. Also, I streamed Mugesh's birthday. That's a crazy thing. I streamed from my phone, and for the first time, yesterday was a crazy day, man. 31st October will be something I will never forget. So last year 31st October was when I put on for the first time I put on the Bahubali outfit, and I went out. It was Diwali last year, and this year Bahubali was released. The epic was released, and that's crazy. I felt like this is a special day, and I didn't upload my photos of that myself last year, so I uploaded it yesterday night. Crazy. Also, I'm getting very crazy kind of comments I don't know what kind of people are watching that and what kind of audience am I attracting to. I'm getting a lot of reposts, not a lot, but shares are getting crazy. I have more than 400 shares, and right now, when I checked my phone, it was 265k views. I felt like at one point I felt like it's done, but this is very crazy, man. It's crazy that I'm understanding it now, and now is the time when I'm getting the peak of the engagement. So I felt like no, how many reels I have, I will upload all of them in the trial reels in the duration of next 3 days, and then I'll get the traction which I want. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. And when I came home from Magesh's birthday, there was this one dog, man. It was kind of like a Pomerian who wanted to have with the stray dog, but she didn't let him. Crazy day, crazy day. Yesterday was a very crazy day in terms of numbers and being special. Yesterday was a very crazy day. Bahubali is a very special thing to me, and then Magesh's birthday was after that. But I had deep conversation in this time. That was something very special to me. It was a very crazy day, guys, and live next to railway station, so a lot of disturbances. So what I'm trying to say here is, yesterday was a crazy day, and I came home late. I didn't record the video, so I'm recording it now. I woke up. I slept around 5 a.m. I couldn't sleep. No, I slept. Fuck. I slept. I slept at 12:30, and then I woke up feeling very. I woke up feeling like the Pomerian dog. And then I couldn't sleep until 5 a.m. and then I slept and I woke up at 2:30 something. Alright, that's it for today, guys. I love you all so much. And in the stream, Magesh said, when I was closing out the video, I said throttle on, full gas, no brakes. And it kind of made me realize that how much that outro means to that person, man. I love that person. Love you, bro, Magesh. I know you're watching this, and no matter how much I see this, but at times when I felt hopeless, you're the one who gave me a lot of hope. And I don't know if I could have come out from my last heartbreak or any hardship in my life if it wasn't for you. Thank you so much for being there by my side, and I'll make sure that I'll always be by my side, no matter how shitty I behave at some times, no matter how harsh I am to you, or I know I say a lot of stupid stuff, but sometimes it's alright to be stupid around the people you can be stupid around. I love you so much, and happy birthday, bro. 25th birthday, crazy. We met when you were 18 years old. It's crazy. 18 or 17. Alright. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I love you all so much. Throttle on, full gas, no brakes, and I begin from within and never let chin win. God made or I walk through static. Thoughts automatic, pain cinematic. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.